Alright everyone, my name's Luke from Everlasting Arms, and today we're going to demo a suppressor here that I have on my 22. We're going to show a little bit of difference here between supersonic and subsonic rounds. One of the most important things when we're dealing with talking to people that are opposed to suppressors is dealing with the truth. And the reality is that suppressors are not silent. They are not true silencers. They just quiet it down quite a bit. So we're going to do a little test here. Here is supersonic out of the 22. So as you can see, you can still hear the supersonic crack. It's not perfectly silent by any means. These are subsonic rounds. Now these are low power rounds. They won't actually cycle the bolt on this gun, but you can hear the difference. So those are pretty cool, huh? Nice and quiet. Now we're going to move on over here to a small handgun. We'll try this one out suppressed or unsuppressed to start with so that you can see exactly how loud this actually is. We'll switch over to the suppressor. There's really no point in using subsonic rounds in a pistol because the high velocity rounds never gain enough velocity to be supersonic. You can actually hear it hit the steel target up there. Now we're going to move on to the big boy here. It's the AR-15. This is shooting supersonic rounds, so this thing's loud to start with here without the suppressor. That's pretty loud. Now what we're going to do, should clear the chamber. Now, suppressed.
This is regular ammunition.
So as you can see, this is supersonic ammunition still. You still hear the crack. It's not quiet by any means, but it's usually hearing safe. It's not too bad. You can shoot it several times without ears. Underneath this cover, it's still a little bit loud. But as you can see, by no means perfectly silent, but it certainly helps with hearing protection. It keeps your ears from ringing too bad. Alright everyone, this is my video on suppressors. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, let me know. You can like Everlasting Arms on Facebook and ask me any questions if you have, or if you have any ideas for videos that you'd like to check out.